Marabou Stork, the strange giant bird of Africa. Scientific name. The Marabou Stork is called Leptoptilos crumenifer. Appearance. It is a huge bird with a bald pink head, a massive bill, and a long hanging throat pouch. Its scruffy feathers make it look almost vulture-like. Size. Marabou storks are giants. They can grow up to 5 feet tall with a wingspan of 10 feet, making them one of the largest flying birds in the world. Location. They live across sub-Saharan Africa, especially near wetlands, savannas, and garbage dumps. Diet. These birds are scavengers, eating carrion, garbage, fish, and even small animals. They play an important role in cleaning the environment. Behavior. Their flight is majestic and graceful, despite their awkward looks on the ground. Throat pouch. The inflatable wattle on their throat helps them with heat regulation and may also play a role in courtship displays. Nickname. Because of their bald heads, hunched posture, and habit of scavenging, they're sometimes nicknamed the Undertaker bird. Ecological role. By eating dead animals and waste, Marabou storks help prevent the spread of disease in ecosystems. Fun fact. Despite their ugly reputation, Marabou storks are actually highly efficient survivors, perfectly adapted to Africa's harsh environments.